Good afternoon, everyone. So great to see you all again for the final session of Master Canva workshop. So, first of all, a big welcome back to each one of you. So, over the past two sessions, we have explored the amazing world of Canva, learning how to design stunning graphics, create professional designs, and use of templates effectively to make our work easier and more creative. So, throughout the hands on task, listening to our instructor and applying what we have learned, we all have improved our design skills in ways that will definitely help us in the future, whether it is for our academic projects, social media contents, business promotions, or either for our personal branding. This workshop has not only been about learning Canva, but also about enhancing creativity, efficiency, and confidence in designing visually appealing contents. These skills will gain here will surely give us an edge in our career, studies, and even entrepreneurship ventures. So, with that said, let me make the most of the last session and continue our learning journey. So now I would like to hand over the session to Tanvi Raje, who will guide us through this final phase of our Canva workshop.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, today in this session, we will be learning about how to create projects, block diagrams, charts, formatting elements, and how to choose the appropriate designs. And at the end of the session, we will take an example of a presentation and how we can make a trifold brochure. So, let's start this today's session. Uh, so, I would like to ask you all if anyone has any doubt about the first two sessions, can ask that and we will clear that first and we will move on to the next session. Shall I recap about the two sessions or shall I move on? You can unmute yourself or you can text in the comment section. So everyone open your Canva. सो अभी बहुत सारे ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं जहाँ पे अपने फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं या फिर कोई मिनी प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं या फिर कोई असाइनमेंट्स के लिए अपना ब्लॉक डायग्राम्स या फ्लो चार्ट्स या कोई रिलेटेड टू प्रोजेक्ट्स कोई चार्ट्स बनाना पड़ता है असाइनमेंट्स के लिए। सो कैनवा कैनवा में एक ऐसा है कि टेम्पलेट्स है, तो आप कोई भी एक टेम्पलेट्स चूज़ करते हो। फॉर एग्जांपल अभी हमें कोई फ्लो चार्ट बनाना है अपने प्रोजेक्ट का। सो the easy part here in the Canva is you can easily go in the templates and you can search for flowcharts. Go to the templates and search for flowcharts. So there are plenty of designs and the structures of flowchart. You can choose any of the flowchart or you can also make your own flowcharts. And if you are choosing any of the templates, you can change the color of the flowcharts or the designs as per your need, as per your projects. I have taken a template. For example, I have to change the shapes of this, so I can change as per my need, or I can change it the background and the text. And फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी यहाँ पे कैसे दिया हुआ है कि यहाँ पे अपना टॉपिक होना चाहिए, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, प्रोटोटाइप है, टारगेट मार्केट एंड द सोल्यूशन। सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यहाँ पे हमें कुछ मतलब सोचना नहीं पड़ता है कि यहाँ पे क्या आएगा फिर उसके बाद क्या आएगा। सो यहाँ पे एक टॉपिक मतलब दिया हुआ है कि योर यू कैन पुट दिस, योर यू कैन पुट दैट, एंड फ्रॉम द shapes part you can change the shape of the your boxes and everything. In the flowchart there is nothing as such, only you have to do your creativity. And if you want to add graphics, you can add the graphics from the element sections. And there is nothing much about the animations and all. Now here for the a box, for example this is in the box, so you can uh, animate the any shape of your, for example, you can see there are elements on the page. For example, you have to give a certain animation to the whole page. You can choose the page animations, or you have to give a certain to an particular element. So you can choose the particular element that you want to animate, and you can give the animation as per your design. So there are n number of animations here. Now we will go to the presentation, PPT presentation. How can we make the presentation? So I will just take a PPT from the template section. As in the MS Word there is a PPT. So उसमें कैसे हमें ज़्यादा टेम्पलेट्स नहीं मिलते और हमें सोचना पड़ता है, और उधर ज़्यादा डिज़ाइंस नहीं मिलता है. मतलब कैसे हम लोग उसको स्ट्रक्चर, उसमें ग्राफिक्स वगैरह डाल सकते हैं. सो हियर इन द कैनवा यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी ऑफ द थीम, and you can add transitions also. So we will take a one simple example. For example, if suppose you have your project presentation, so आप ऐसे सर्च कर सकते हो कि टेम्पलेट्स में कि प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए. So you will get a number of presentations. If you need a professional presentation, you can get a professional presentations also. See, as you can see, you can use n number of slides here. एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे ब्लैंक स्लाइड आता है, जैसे आपको चाहिए वैसे आप उसमें एडिट कर सकते हो. इसमें भी आपको कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस चेंज करना है, सो यू कैन डू दी कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, you have to change the background color of this page. You can change it, and you can apply it for all the pages. There is also animations for the same year. For all the charts, PPT presentations, or anything you are making, the animations part and the styles and the elements part is same for everything. And also in this you can add the transitions part for in between each of the slides. For example, you want dissolve, circle vibe, color vibe. So in color vibe you can choose plenty of colors and the directions. Now, for example, if you have done with your presentation, and if you have to move your second slide to the third or fourth number, so you can just drag this slide and move wherever you want. Okay. And as I said, you can add the transitions, and you can add transitions. You can also add differently, or you can choose that apply to all the transitions, so it will be same for all. Or if you want different transitions for every different pages, you can add that also. And you can select the, as I said, you can edit the timing as per your need, and you can present it from here. See, now beside the share option there is a present option. Here it is a presenter view and autoplay. So in this autoplay you don't need to click, it will play the slides automatically, so you have to adjust the timing as per that. And in the presenter view you can see how your PPT is. For example, it is like a preview of your PPT, and you can also present it in the full screen. Then you have to click the transitions. You can see the transitions. You can make your own based on your own creativity. You can choose the elements, and if you are having, for example, it is for fashion design, so you can add the fashion related elements, or any related to your projects, you can add them. At the last session we saw about a brochure of our own department. That was a single page brochure. So now we will see a trifold brochure. We will take a template and I will explain it to you in that template. So here you can write in the template section, trifold brochures. You can choose any of your template, and if you suppose if you can also make your I have given you the task of making your department brochure. If you have to make in this trifold brochure, you can make it in this format also. So basically, for the trifold brochure, you have the front pages and the inside three pages. So there are three parts. So now the question is how to divide these three parts. So here they haven't used any dividers for this three parts. So what you can do, the easy thing is first take a simple A4 size or any landscape or portrait size paper, and what you can do is go to elements. So what you can do is you can go to elements part, and you can choose a shape of your own choice, and you can adjust this shape as per your uh, parts of your pages. For example, this is my first part, so I will add this three boxes in all the three pages, up front side and the back side. So you can edit it here, this in this shape only. It will not go beyond your shape outside the second page or the third page. If you are good with your, if आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि अब मैं इस इसमें कैसे यहाँ पे सिर्फ लाइंस दिए हुए हैं, तो आप मतलब समझ पा रहे हो कि इसके मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती, सो यू कैन डू इट दैट वे ऑल्सो. बट this is the easiest way. Here you can add the elements or anything. So this is a trifold brochure you can make, adding the shape of this square shape. So यहाँ पे मतलब हम पार्ट्स बनाना इजी हो सकता है. फिर आप फिर ये शेप का ही बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज वगैरह करके you can do it. So I will show one brochure that I have made, and I will explain it in that only. So basically, this is a trifold brochure. I have made it of Idea Lab. So here, for example, you have to make it of your own department. So from, you can choose any of the sides, left or right. You can start with any one. So you can add your first your name of these colleges, then your department you can add, then your HOD or faculties you there in your department, or you can add your contact related to your if you have having a department website, you can add that. Then in the second page, your at the behind, you can take one frame and you can add it, add your college image, and you can lower the transparency, and you can write your about us and our vision or missions of the related college. Then you can also add the fee structures, or what internships or training partners your colleges have. You can add that in the brochure. Has anyone having any doubt can ask me. Please, you can unmute yourself. And as I see, most of you have not completed your before task. So please complete it, as we will be providing e-certificates. So anyone having doubt that how to create the brochures and everything, so you all can also make block diagrams from the Canva. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है जो आप सर्च करोगे टेम्पलेट्स में. सो यू कैन गेट रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स एंड यू कैन explore your creativity, and you can make your own templates or related to your any designs or projects. So here you can see that plenty of block diagrams provided here. So we will create one example of a block diagram. So what you can do is you can take a template related to your preference, or you can take a blank A4 size portrait or landscape paper. So here I'm taking a A4 size portrait paper. So what you can do, for block diagram, we can use a picture related block diagrams or a shape related block diagrams. I will show you one example of a picture related block diagram. सो इन द कैनवा एलिमेंट्स में सब आपको पिक्चर्स तो मिल नहीं सकते. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, एज आई हैड सेड यू, आप गूगल से ले सकते हो, या फिर कोई भी आपके पास पिक्चर रहेगा वहाँ से ले सकते हो. सो योर आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन ब्लॉक डायग्राम. सो यहाँ पे आप कोई भी ऐसे एलिमेंट्स लेके आप प्लेस करके एरोस वगैरह देके एक ऐसा पिक्चरेटेड ब्लॉक डायग्राम बना सकते हो. और जो अपना नॉर्मल ब्लॉक डायग्राम रहते हैं जिसमें blocks रहते हैं, only the shapes related block diagram. So this is picture-rated, and the first that I showed you in the template, that was the shapes related block diagram. So we will see one block diagram. So what you can do is you can take the shapes, or if you want to take the shapes from the elements, you can search for different types of graphics elements also. See, there are plenty of graphic elements that you can take. See, I have taken a circle shape. If you have if आपको ये जो circle है उसको colorful, मतलब color देना है, you can give it a color, or you can also see there is one option of no color shape. So here you can choose this, and only you can give a border to that circle, and you can change the border of that circle as per your need. So मुझे अभी सिर्फ सर्कल को बॉर्डर देना है, उसको पूरा उसके जो बैकग्राउंड है इनर उसको कलर नहीं चाहिए. सो आई कैन चूज दैट, एंड आई विल चेंज द कलर ऑफ द बॉर्डर. Here you can write the topic of your project, or what you are making regarding to that. So here you can add your text, or you can take the text from the font combinations. Then you can use the arrows or this type of shapes to point out the topics in your projects. Or what you can do is you can go to elements and you can search for arrows. So here you will get different types of arrows in different shapes. See, there are so many types of arrows. You can take these arrows and you can point for example, I'm taking this arrow and you can point out your topics of your projects. You can take different types of arrows. Now you are also to pointing out, you can add a circle, or you can directly add the text of what the topic is of your project. Or what you can do is you can add a small circle, and in that circle you can add a picture of that particular topic, and from that picture you can add the text of your what you have to write in that related to that topic. So for example, you can take another shape. For example, I'm taking this shape. You can add this shape over here, and you can again add a small arrow, and you can add your text of the content. So you can change this color of the same you can do for the flowcharts. So there are different types of flowcharts. You can point out this shape and you can add your own text box, and you can add the text for of your content of the project, and you can add n number of arrows and the circle. Or what you can do is you can make this in this center, and from all the sides you can add the topics of that project. Has everyone completed your resume we had done in the last lecture? So I had given you two tasks, one of resume and one of the department brochure. So one by one, can you all share your screen and show me that what elements you have added, what animations you have added, and what you have understood about the last two sessions and this session, and what you have added in that resume and your brochure. Yes, Harshada, can you show your resume? See, now we have completed the most of the part of the Canva. So आपके पास सिर्फ Canva Pro होगा तो आपको बहुत सारे और फीचर्स है उसमें आप गो थ्रू कर सकते हो, बट अभी अपग्रेडेड टू Canva नहीं है. सो most of the block diagrams, flow charts, or any brochure if you are making, the animation parts and the features are the same for everyone. Only the part of the videos and presentation you can add the transitions over there, and nothing much. Just you have to bring your own creativity there. So if you have not completed your task, you can complete it in this session. Or if you have any doubt regarding this session which I have taught you about the flowcharts, block diagram, and the trifold brochure, you can ask me.
So, what will be the task of this session?
So basically, you have to create a PPT presentation. If you have anything related to your subject, you can create it, or otherwise you can create a presentation related to your department.
Okay.
As it is going to be on YouTube, so you can show your work here and present it, whatever you have done. Anyone can start it. Ria, Rumana, Harshada, anyone. Bhumi.
Yes, Titi, can I present?
Yes, Harshada, you can present. Please share your
Okay.
screen.
Okay, Janvi. Is it visible?
Yes.
Here I have done my CV. This is my department brochure.
Please, can you explain it? What have you done? How are you doing this? The process, can you explain it
Okay,
in
means I should
small?
explain
Yeah, so everyone can know how you have done this. In short, you can just explain it.
this brochure. I have taken an A3 size paper, and in that paper I have put the background, took the necessary border, this electronics border, the SNDT logo from the internet, and uploaded it. And then I have included all the necessary information from the yeah, PDFs of these brochures which were needed. And then I have also cropped this training partners and employers and included in the brochure, and that's how I've made it.
So Harshada, what you can do is here now, uh, as I'm seeing the brochure, the highlighted part is the logo. So what you can do is you can uh, minimize the size of the logo a little bit and take a little at the side, and the name of SNDT Women's University, you can take the it little up beside your logo, so you will
Oh,
get more space. and so जैसे कि नीचे पूरा जो आपने ट्रेनिंग पार्टनर्स डाला हुआ है वो एकदम कंजेस्टेड हो चुका है, सो यू विल गेट मोर स्पेस एंड द क्रिएटिविटी इज नाइस ऑफ योर ब्रोशर. गुड.
thank you, Didi.
Yeah, you can share the screen.
Yeah. Department brochure. So I have not chosen the template in it. I have just created this on my own. And some elements that I have to also I have taken the some elements.
What you can do is you can play more with the colors in this brochure, as you have only taken a white pamphlet. So I think you should add more colors to your brochure, and others, your creativity is good.
Yes.
Have you made the resume?
Yeah. Just a second.
So here you can also add your skills and your hobbies
Yes.
and your picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, rest is all good.
Okay. Thank you.
Bhumi, can you explain what you have done? Unmute yourself.
Yes. First, I taken A4 size paper, then Google from logo, SNDT logo. Then I put my own photo from gallery, all, all, all from Google. This much, and this is my contact number, and this is my Gmail number.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me if you wanted to share this with anyone in the PDF format, how can you do it?
We can do video form.
Ria, you can share your screen. Ria, I've saw your resume. What you can do is you have left so many of space, and you have only written one or two points in the bullets. So you can write more about yourself, as you had sought the previous CV of Roman, I guess. So you can write more about your educational qualifications, your skills, as it is very the space is very empty. Have you made your brochure? Yeah, you can present it. Yes, it good looks good, but what you can do, you have only written in the caps. Everything you have written in the caps, and it is also bold. So you can choose wisely about the font style and everything. सब कुछ कैपिटल और बोल्ड में होना ऐसा ही ज़रूरी नहीं है, थोड़ा लोअर केस भी चलेगा.
You can make sure कि ज़्यादा contemporary ना हो, and you can make it very simple and cutely the brochure. Only the main point should be there. Anyone else want to showcase their work? Anyone? Or you can give your feedback. Anyone? I think 19 members are there. You can give a feedback for us also. Anything about the session or any doubts or any questions you want to ask?
You can post it in your Canva workshop group, your brochures and or CV.
Anyone want to give a feedback from the first session to the last session, whatever you have learned till now, and how you're going to apply in your work? So as this is going to be on a YouTube channel, so it is going to be there. You can give your feedback freely, unmuting yourself.
Ask, what you have to do is you have to create maximum 5 to 6 slides of PPT slides, and for example, if you are having any your subject related projects, you can make that projects, or you can add your, if anyone else doesn't have projects or anything, you can make a PPT presentation of your own department, as we had shared the brochure. So you can make that PPT of the department, or if you have any projects, you can make it and add transitions and everything which I told you in this session, and you can share it in the Canva workshop group.
Tanvi, you can just recap whatever we have learned from the first session to the last session, so everyone will get an idea of it.
Yeah. So this is your home page. You can easily log in or sign up your Canva account. You can create your own designs. You can create any custom size if you want. There are so many types. You can go through it. You can make a document, you can make a presentation, social media posts, videos, websites, and everything. So in the Canva, the best part is you get templates related what you are making. For example, you're making any type of a brochure or a social media post, you can search easily through this template sessions, and you can use that template, or you can else create a design. So let's create a simple design, that is A4 size portrait. Just I will recap in a short what we have learned in the past 2 sessions. So here I've created a design. So here you can see there are so many types of options. So here there is a designs, elements, you get text. So you can upload your images or anything, videos, audios. Here you can see your own projects that you have made it earlier. So in the section, you can choose any element that you have to use in your creativity, or you can generate your own by uploading it through your the Google, or through your laptop, or through your gallery. So here there are a number of frames here you can add. So the best you can, for example, I've taken this frame. You can upload any picture. You can upload any picture, and you can just drag it in this frame, and you can adjust the frame as per your need. and there are many textiles and text combinations. You can take any of it and you can just animate the whole text or one at a time. So there are n number of effects you can get in the Canva. There are n number of animations you get in Canva for each element of all whole pages, and you can also set the timing for if you're using an animation, so you can set the timings or the speed as per your need. And for example, you have created a poster or anything and you have to share it, so here you can click on the share button and add your team members that uh, Gmail, and you can share it with them, or else you can create a public view link, or you can download it. There are so many of the formats that you can download, for example PPT, GIF, MP4 videos, and PDF, PNG styles. Or simply you can also share from here to the WhatsApp. If you are using Pro Canva, you can't share the poster or any brochure. And for videos, you can trim your videos. For example, I'm taking a sample video. So what you can do is you can upload anything from your laptop or you from the Google's. So for example, I have taken a video. I can add n number of videos in one single page, and I can mute or unmute this using this playback sound or the volume section. And if suppose I have to trim this video, I can trim it using the trim section, and I can use anything else that you want to ask. Please unmute yourself. If ऐसा कुछ है जो मैंने सिखाया नहीं और आपको मतलब ये है जानना चाहते हो, तो you can ask. So please complete all the session task and upload it on the Instagram page of your department and tag everyone. Janvi, can we end this session? Is it okay?
Okay.
So thank you, Tanvi, for taking this student lead initiative. So I would like to tell this again to all participants that this is our first workshop under students lead activity which we have conducted. So Tanvi, thank you so much for taking the initiative to start with this lead. So this is our first workshop with Canva. So the students, those who wish to learn much more about Canva or any other tool which they wish to explore, because these things we cannot teach in the college during lectures, but these things are required doing your study or submitting your work. You need to gain some expertise for using these tools. Like this, we also conducted Microbit and AI, these two workshops in college for last 3 days. So there also we got the excellent during those workshops as well. Uh, so it's a students lead initiative which was started Sunday. So we can spend time to learn something which will be helpful for our study, for submitting assignments, for making our posters, banners, which we required during our exhibitions or in or during other activities. These things are required nowadays in day-to-day life to create our digital presence everywhere. So Genevieve, it's over to you. So the last session, but this is the last session for Canada. It's true, but we will come up again with other workshops also. So those who have any specific requirements, if you want to learn some specific tools, you can reach to our coordinator, student coordinator Jannavi. So we will propose it to the college, and we will if you have some guys, if you feel कि नहीं ये चीज मैं सिखा सकती हूँ सबको, जैसे तन्वी took initiative to teach Canva to all participants online. So if any student feel कि no, I can teach this thing to all other my the classmates or the other students of the other departments, then you tell that thing to us, so we can plan the workshop to explore the tool which you know. सो दिस इज अ स्टूडेंट लीड इनिशिएटिव कि स्टूडेंट्स ने स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाना है, ये एक लीड हम लोग ने शुरू किया है. सो वी ऑल्सो अपील दिस टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर किसी को कुछ एक आध टूल अच्छा आता है, देन कम अप विथ योर नॉलेज एंड जस्ट शेयर योर नॉलेज. सो नॉलेज शेयरिंग से बढ़ता है. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू विल लुक इनटू इट और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सीखने की कोशिश करोगे. यस, ओवर टू यू जानवी.
Yes, ma'am, as you said, it is very, very honorable for us, me and Tanvi, as this session is by students and for students. We are also the students from the same college, and hosting this event and organizing this event was very helpful for us and Tanvi also. We are very lucky to have you, Tanvi, here. Okay, so as we come to end of this insightful Master Canva workshop, it is my honor to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this session possible and a success. First and the foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our principal, sir, Mr. Dinesh Girab, sir, for allowing this workshop to take place and for always supporting such learning opportunities. And also a special thank to our Miss Gayatri Gurav ma'am, who played a crucial role in organizing this workshop. Her efforts have truly making this event is possible just because of her. And a big thank you to you, Tanvi, for guiding us throughout the world of Canva and patiently helping us to understand and apply new concepts. Your continuous support throughout the workshop made the learning experience smooth and engaging. Most importantly, a huge thank you to all the participants for your enthusiasm, dedications, and patience in learning, completing the assignments, and embracing new ideas. Seeing you all active, engage, learning, and apply your knowledge with happy faces is truly rewarding. Your feedbacks are very, very important for us. So before we conclude, I'm sharing a feedback form in the WhatsApp group. Everyone is requested to please take a minute to fill it out. So for it is good for our future workshop, so we can improve ourselves. Also, you will be receiving your e-certificate soon. Once again, thank you all. Keep learning, keep creating, and let your creativity soar. See you all flying high. So that's all about this workshop. It was very good experience with you all happening this workshop, and thank you, Tanvi, for instructing us with this workshop. Thank you.